This chapter it is about files and folders and what we can do with them. How the books on a library are stored exactly the same as the files on a computer. Another analogy will be a tree with the leaves. The leaves are the files, the branches are the folders, but the closer one will be a big warehouse. Let's open my warehouse. Start my computer. All my information it is stored on my local hard drives. If you are opening one hard drive under Windows XP, you will find 3 default folders. Windows, it is a directory where it is stored the files necessary for the operating system to run. In program files are stored the applications what I installed on this computer, and documents and settings are personal files created by the users. I have on this computer one user named test, and if I'm opening this folder, you can see that I have couple folders here. Main ones are my documents and desktop. Okay, let's go with what we can do with the files. Let me open a different directory. Okay. With the files, we have couple operations what we can do. Create, copy, move, modify, or delete. Let's delete them. I'm taking the first one and I am deleting it. Taking the second and I am deleting it. Let's create one. There are a couple ways to create a file. One is right-click, new text document. But if you have another application for creating the files, let's say Paint, we can save this file. Save. The system by default will save inside of my documents. As you can see, my documents, subfolder, my pictures, but I can change where to save the file. With the analogy warehouse, I can choose in what room, in what container to store my file. I'm clicking my computer, data, temp. Here I'm creating a file name, let's say test2, and I'm clicking save. Okay. I'm closing the window. As you can see, I have the file already created in warehouse D in a room temp. Next operation with the file will be copy. If I want to copy this file from this location, from this room, from temp room, from the warehouse D at the front of the office, this is the front of the office, the desktop, I can do in different ways. One of them, it is grab and drop. You'll see that I have a small window with plus sign, this meaning it will be copying, and I am releasing the button on the mouse. I have on my location the old file, and this is exactly copy of this file. Okay, let me delete. Next operation will be move. To move the file, meaning that I'm copying from this location to this location, and after that I am deleting this file from here. This can be done different ways. Grab this file, move to desired location, and if you are going to press Shift key on a keyboard, you'll see that little box with the plus sign, it is disappearing. I'm releasing the mouse, and as you can see, the file has been moved. Next operation, what I can do, it is to modify the file. Okay, I'm going to modify this text file. I'm opening the file, double clicking it, and I'm writing test, test, test. I'm saving the file. Yes. And you can see that date modified when was modified. The last operation, delete. Two ways. One, right click on the mouse and from the menu select delete. You'll have a confirmation window appearing. Click yes, and the file it is in recycle bin. And second, just grab this file and drop it in recycle bin. That's all for this chapter. Thank you for watching.